This is a lucrative business model. There's no age limit on this shit. You don't need no degree. You don't need no experience. You don't need a lot of followers. This is how you're going to start making an extra 5 to 10K a month. YouTube, what it do, man? Y'all know it's your boy CEO Stacks, back with another video. About to be putting y'all on game, of course, man. Y'all see that title? I know everybody right now need an easy, simple side hustle that can just bring them a couple extra $100 a month. You feel me? A couple extra $1,000 a month. I'm about to teach you a business model that I've been doing for the past year now. That if you utilize this and you follow these steps correctly, you will start making an extra 5 to 10K a month. You can do this while you got a job though, you feel me? Like, I'm at the point now where I'm making 5K a week, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm making 5K a week, you feel me? $1,000 days, $500 days. But if you implement this by 2026, you could easily be just doing this full time, I'm not gonna lie. Cause for me, it only took me 2 months and I quit doing Lyft and DoorDash and I started doing this side hustle full time as my main career, and I'm still doing it to this day. The name of this side hustle is going to be called high ticket affiliate marketing, man. You feel me? If you ain't got your pen and your notepad out, just take this shit down real quick, cause I'm just trying to give you the game and then I'm gonna get up out of here. You dig? So it's called high ticket affiliate marketing. I know y'all heard about affiliate marketing before, but this is different. And you're gonna make a lot more money way faster doing high ticket affiliate marketing. Now let me explain this shit. Affiliate marketing in itself is simply you selling a product for somebody else's company, and then every time you make a sale for their company, you get a small little commission for each sale that you make. So if you know about TikTok Shop, if you know about Amazon affiliate program, you basically selling these different little products. You know, they physical products though. You selling these little products for these companies and shit. And when somebody purchases it through your link, you know what I'm saying, or through your shop, you get paid like 5%, 10% commission every time you make a sale. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You feel me? Now, high ticket affiliate marketing it's the same thing, but you're doing it for a high ticket digital product or a digital course or a digital training. So for instance, like me, I invested into the Digital Wealth Academy. This is a high ticket course or training, whatever you want to call it. And the purpose of the course or training is to teach you everything about digital marketing, digital products, monetizing your social media. You know how to brand yourself, how to create content, how to market digital products, all these different things dealing with monetizing your social media, right? So this is what I did. I took advantage of that same training, and I'm able to now resell this training as an affiliate and make 85% commission. So y'all seeing the difference right now. TikTok Shop, Amazon, all these other places that offer these affiliate programs and shit like that, bro, you only getting 5 to 10% commission every time you make a sale. So if you sell something, you feel me, that's $100, they only gonna give you $10 every time you make a sale. But imagine getting paid 85% commission. That's almost damn near 100% profit for a service that you didn't even create. Let alone a service that's actually teaching you high value skills and shit that you can actually use to make extra income. Like the Digital Wealth Academy course, I took it back in April of 2024. This is when I didn't know nothing about monetizing the internet. I knew nothing about digital products. I knew nothing about affiliate marketing, digital marketing, none of that shit. I took the Digital Wealth Academy training, and then within 1 week, I developed 2 to 3 sources of income off the internet alone. Because inside of the training, they teach you 13 different ways on how to monetize your social media, right? So, boom, I took advantage of that, and I'm like, okay, bet. It also has an affiliate program, so I can earn from this too if I was to try to like resell this as my own product. So it's like killing two birds with one stone. You got a service that you actually need, and you also can resell it and make 85% of the profit. So for instance, the Digital Wealth Academy is $497. That's the price, right? But you can literally start on it with Klarna or Afterpay, which is like payment options, and you can get access to the course for like $43 down, or even $0 down, depending on your credit, right? So, boom, it's $500 for the Digital Wealth Academy. Then, if I resell the Digital Wealth Academy to my audience, right, I'm making 85% profit. So guess what? That's $422. That's $422 every time I make a sale. So this is the same type of business model that I've helped hundreds of people take advantage of so that they can start making money too. You feel me? Like, and think about it. When you got a job, right? How many hours per day do you have to work to make $500, to make $1,000? Would you rather work 8-hour days making $15, $17, $18 an hour, and you still barely touching a band a week? Or would you rather take advantage of social media, take advantage of the internet, take advantage of high ticket affiliate marketing, and you can literally resell other people's services and make $400, $500 off of one sale? You know how many people on the internet? It's 2 billion active users on just Instagram alone. This not even including TikTok, Facebook, YouTube. If you get on all of these platforms and promote your products or your services, you'll start easily making 5 to 10K a month. You know what I'm saying? Like, it won't probably happen right off the bat, but I'm telling you, if you stay consistent by 2026, you should easily be doing this full time. Like, I know people making $10,000 a day off of this simple business model, bro. And I know y'all probably looking at me like I'm crazy, probably looking at me like, wow, like that shit don't even be sounding real to some of y'all, you know what I'm saying? But when you seeing it, it's like, damn, nah, it's possible. Think about it. You got a $500 product, you making $422 every time you make a sale for this product or service. If you get 5 people, 10 people a day buying this product or service, I mean, like, just think about it. It's no limit on how much money you can make. It all just comes down to your ability to market. Like me, I'll never forget it. Last year, Black Friday, I made $3,500 in a day. That's probably the most bread I ever made in one day. I've literally made over $100,000 in less than a year. And I grew a brand new Instagram account that I started last year in April. I grew that Instagram account over 50,000 followers in less than a year. Simply from investing in myself, getting the knowledge that I needed to get from the Digital Wealth Academy. I gotta give all credit to that training because it truly did change my life. And it's so crazy because I had negative $500 in my bank account as I was starting this business model last year. You feel me? So that shit just crazy to think about. But I'm telling y'all, if y'all take advantage of the opportunity that you have at your hands right now before everybody starts doing this shit, I promise you, you will be up. You'll be in a good situation. Even if you're not up, you'll be in a good situation by January 2026, or even within the next couple months. Because literally all it takes is consistency. Everybody quits. Everybody starts shit and then they quit. It's so easy to win. You feel me? Like, all you gotta do is get the information and be consistent. And on top of that, somebody who's already doing this shit at a high level is teaching you exactly how to do it. Like I said, first link in the description, I'm teaching you. I got a Patreon where you can lock in with me personally And I'm giving you access to the Digital Wealth Academy too. That's gonna be the second link in the description. See, the reason why you need the Digital Wealth Academy though, this is the real reason, is because you wanna have a product, right, that you can learn everything you need to know about making money online. You can learn from the Digital Wealth Academy, right? So you have that to your advantage. And then on top of that, you want this service so that you can make the 85% profit once you sell it. You know what I'm saying? This is a popular business model. They used to have it to where it was master resale rights, which means you can resell the course or the training and make 100% profit. That's when it was master resale rights. But now they switched it over to affiliate. And now that it's an affiliate program, you still making 85% profit. The product is basically yours once you buy it. Once you buy the product, it's up to you to market the product. And once people purchase the product from you, you'll make money. But you'll also learn how to create your own digital products and your own offer. And you'll learn how to market, how to brand yourself, different content strategies, and all of that shit. You're gonna learn that so that you can make money from your own products as well. I'm really one of like only 30% of the people who actually resell the course. Most people don't even resell the course. Most people just get inside the Digital Wealth Academy so they can actually learn and get the information so they can start monetizing their social media. You know what I'm saying? Like now I literally have 7 streams of income from social media alone. Like I do this full time, you feel me? And I'm not even including YouTube paying me. I'm not even including getting paid from TikTok. I'm talking about different side hustles that I just learned strictly from the Digital Wealth Academy. So you need the training so you have the option of, at least if you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing and you want to resell it and make the 85% profit, you at least want that option. So that's why you need to get in there. Once you're inside of the Digital Wealth Academy community, I will teach you for free. All you gotta do is just email me your number or DM me your number, whatever the case may be. I'm gonna call you, we're gonna chop it up. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to set up your store and give you the exact blueprint on how to start this business model from scratch so that you can start getting traction and working your way up to getting results. This is a lucrative business model. There's no age limit on this shit. You don't need no degree. You don't need no experience. You don't need a lot of followers. This is how you're gonna start making an extra 5 to 10K a month. You feel me? You can do this while you're doing your job. All you need is 2 to 3 hours a day to work on content, literally. Because once you got the information, you now have the product. You got the product and you got the information. Now it's all about marketing. And that's why I come in. That's why I said, once you're in the community, I'm gonna help you for free. It's already over 120,000 people that have purchased the Digital Wealth Academy. And that's for a very great reason. It's the #1 course that teaches digital marketing and monetizing on social media. So lock in now. Like I said, you can literally start with Afterpay or Klarna. Literally, and start with $43 down. Turn around, you can resell this product for $422. You know what I'm saying? You could easily make your first sale this week. And now you up on the scoreboards, you feel me? Other than that though, man, y'all lock in, man, you feel me? It's money out here. You just gotta wake up and get to it.